it is not far behind ang ato ang scenario dere. No? I think our experts later on can provide that information that as we constantly say, the Philippines is ikapila. Number one sa World Risk Index. Mapay labot sa balita. Mapay labot. World Risk Index na itong isulat. So, imagine, the Philippines is the number one in the World Risk Index, and we are seeing before our eyes, no? Before our eyes, every day, news of earthquakes, news of asa itong init kayo? Sa US ito, no? Sa Europe ito? Germany? Imagine, nita, no? Mag-boil ng iyong dugo sa kainit, no? And flooding in many places. Apparently, the world has really calling its nature. Gawas na rin ang iyang nature. I don't know if you have heard the interview with Lagmay. Lagmay is the Institute for, ano yun, yung Tagayuti? Resilience Institute. Have you heard, have you seen the interview? Ingon sa media. Oh, siguro maraming delikado sa Pilipinas kaya maraming isla. Kapag ka sa ito bagya? 1,000 years ago, our islands were nahimong inani because of the movement sa ilaw sa ita. Ha! Imagine! Muna ingon. Kay isa kalihok, parang karoon, coastal upgrade. Ang iskutan, coastal upgrade. 2 meters. After 5 days, another 2 meters. Ito, may mga isla. Inana din ang history of the world. And in fact, ingon pa din niya na there's a belief that 1,000 years ago, Palawan is part of China. Come on, good Chinese. It becomes a political issue if you talk about it. But that's what he said as an expert. No? As an expert. Now, the role of media here is very critical. No? Very, very critical as to the quality of information, the information that our stakeholders need para our stakeholders can think, can plan, can act accordingly. So, what I am specifically saying, Inani, no? For the media, I noticed, no? That even the national media, when they talk about disaster resilience, they interview Secretary of University, they interview experts, they always talk about the science of the discipline of the either bagyo, landslide, baha, o sa dito. So, tinutangay lang. Because I am older than you, no? Sigurado na. Sigurado bata-bata ako mag-give mo. Kanang science of these things, tunay na tayo na nahibawan. Sige naman ang balik-balik pangutana sa media. Si Secretary Inoon sa University, sige naman bumalik-balik. Tuma. Si Pakulkol, sige naman kaya bumalik-balik. What I want, I advocating. No? This is an advocacy of mine for the media. Let's talk about solutions. Let's talk about solutions to the problems that our science people are seeing. No? Muna kailangan parang i-drive. For example, if you invite architect Palafox, you get 1 million solutions to our problem. No? Because ang science man doon, tapatan mo na the different discipline that will utilize the science in pushing development, sustainable development forward. Wapo kayo, ang combination of the science and the art, no? Art man, architecture, no? Engineering, beautiful na for everybody. No? For everybody. Not only for the sa household level, no? But even for the whole country and the world. I'll give you one example. Katong ilog nila sa Occidental. They tabo. Then ang ako, my grandson, gipakita na ako itong Kagit sa itong material, dark cover hole. Ipabasa na ko siya. Kaya pabasa na niya. Pagbasa niya, dark cover hole. Uy, yun yun. Sa'yo, si mama, yan ang pag-ibig. Tagal na siya dito. Imagine, no? Meaning, information really can make or break our society. No? In that regard, I would like to say that the information bearers kamamang yun ang mo transmit, no? Sa information. While we talk about the science, let's move forward on what to do. Problem solving and decision making. In management, that is very critical. There's a problem, how do you solve the problem? No? Ang tawag na PSDL, ito naka-masters ka rin. There's a course there, PSDL, no? Problem solving and decision making. That should be thrown to our leaders. Gikan sa, not only leaders, even sa household level. Atong ilapay na, kita mo itong lula. Atong lula mga ibiyahin sa balay. And that's a good example na we can drive the message to the people na resilience it's in every Filipino and every family. Iba nga sinula ng yan. So meaning they are not prepared. They did not talk about it. There was no plan what to do. So imagine if media drives that information to the household level. Using the science that we are having. For example, katang matumba na ka, asa sa linog, o pa sa linog, matumba na ka is intensity something, 8, 7, no? Matumba na ka, those things. No? Katong, napay isang isulti ni si Eduardo Bong Lauron, at karoon gani ko na kabalo, according to Bong, ang linog di ay, magsugod na pana. Kanang the first 3 seconds, kana daw, actually, ingon niya, pwede ka pang tumakbo niyan, sir. Pag yung katong sugod, isagalan sa ito, mukha naman, di ba? Dinilingi. Kato niya, pwede na rin tumudagan. Kaya ang sunod sa paana, huwag na tumaga. Di nagagalagan. Anyway, that's a preliminary statement for everybody. I hope we go around it, evolve around this discussion para sa atong statements. Salamat!